Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into writing scripts for YouTube using AI, helping you craft compelling, engaging, and well-structured scripts for your videos with the power of AI. Whether you're new to YouTube or a seasoned creator, AI tools can streamline the script writing process and make your content more impactful. Choosing the right AI script writing tool. Start by using AI tools like ChatGPT, Jasper AI, or WriteSonic to generate ideas and structure your scripts. These platforms can help you come up with video ideas, create outlines, and even write full scripts in minutes based on your input. Generating engaging introductions. AI can craft a compelling opening for your video. Simply input your topic, and the tool will generate an attention-grabbing introduction that hooks your audience from the start. Platforms like Copy.ai and Writer are great for creating engaging intros. Writing the main content. Once you have your intro, use AI to generate the body of your script. You can provide AI with key points or bullet points, and it will expand them into well-written paragraphs. This is especially helpful for informational or tutorial-based content. Creating calls to action. AI tools can help you write clear and persuasive calls to action, CTAs. Whether you want to encourage likes, subscriptions, or comments, tools like AnyWord and Jarvis AI can generate CTAs that align with your video's tone and goal. Generating video descriptions and titles. AI can also help you craft attention-grabbing titles and descriptions that improve your video's SEO. Use tools like Headline Studio, SEO.aa, or TubeBuddy to generate optimized titles and descriptions based on keywords. Optimizing for audience engagement. With AI tools like Lately AI, you can generate scripts that are optimized for engagement. These tools analyze what types of content get the most engagement on YouTube and suggest tweaks to improve your script's performance. Editing and refining your script. After generating your script, tools like Grammarly or Pro Writing Aid can help refine your writing, ensuring it's error-free, concise, and clear. They can also assist with tone adjustments to make your script sound more natural and conversational. Using AI for YouTube script writing can save you time and effort while improving your video's quality. Have you tried using AI for script writing? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content creation tips. See you in the next one.